So our first recipe today is our Guam-style pork ribs.
Okay.
We're gonna start off equal parts soy sauce and equal parts vinegar. The vinegar and the salt should play a really nice balance. My style of cooking is very aggressive. Some nice pepper, nice squeeze of lemon.
Also the acid.
Also the acid. Acid on acid. I would say bold, in your face. We're gonna rasp 2 whole garlics. We will feed your soul. A little onion.
Oh yeah, nice onions.
Yep.
And then?
And then as we take that, we're gonna marinate the ribs for an hour. We're gonna put this on the grill. And you just kind of like, you hear that?
Yes.
Yeah, you just want to hear that. So I think this is nice and so we can bring it right here.
Okay. Oh my gosh, it's perfect.
Yeah.
And that's 45 minutes on the grill.
45 minutes on the grill.
This was easy. You can marinate this ahead of time, 24 hours. And this is something that is customary for what you like to cook.
Yeah, and it's Guam food.